Celestial Gardens is about us stepping into another world.
We've been having Celestial Gardens with Adelaide Fringe for many years now.
And every time I do this event, I feel transformed. It's really magical.
Hi, my name's Jessica Curtis and I'm one of the creative directors and curators and also artists for Celestial Gardens, the secret sound of plants for Adelaide Fringe. So my role with the projects with Sacred Resonance, who produce the sound and the music side of the project, is to bring in the visual art side for people to help create the environment, help curate the space and bring in another worldly experience. This show is built around the exploration of plant-human communication. We've got a series of plants along the back hedge which actually have electrodes placed on their leaves. Those electrodes are reading the electrical resistance across the surface of the leaf and then translating that into music. So you can actually hear the plants as they respond to their environment, to touch, and even just to your presence in real time.
My name is Bradley Pitt and this is Darren Curtis, and we are Sacred Resonance, and we'd like to share a little bit about this event here at Carrick Hill and what it's inspired us to actually create Celestial Gardens.
The idea, what we're doing is making the invisible visible through data sonification, the feedback of plants, creating musical experience. With this whole experience in the Celestial Gardens, with roving performers, with our MC, with different musicians and different installations throughout the garden with Jessica Curtis from In Search of the Divine, we're really creating a whole experience in different spaces to get people to come, relax and interact with our installation in a very unique way.
So what was inspiring to us was a book called The Secret Life of Plants back in the 1970s. And this was the paraphysical research looking at plant communication and how they respond to our emotions, how they respond to our thoughts. And so we want to bring this into a way that we can actually show and demonstrate to the public.
And so we have been exploring plant communication and the interaction between nature, technology, bioacoustics, but also performance art, sculptures, a whole experience which is called Celestial Gardens.
So it's an opportunity to bring both the alternative communities together to share in music, to share in nature, and to come together as a community, and especially during time of Fringe with sharing the arts. It's a great time to actually showcase different people's talents, especially local talents that we have here in South Australia.
Hello, I'm Dr. Kathy Adamek and I'm the MC of Celestial Gardens, Sacred Resonance's secret sounds of plants. And we're up here at the wonderful Carrick Hill this year too, which is just really magical, being able to watch the sunset every night over this amazing installation of plants and technology and nature. So I got to give some context to the live music and the plant music and, you know, really, I suppose, help the audience to be able to understand the technology a little bit more and the experience that they were watching, and tell them about the artists as well too.
Hi, my name's Daniel and I've been volunteering with Sacred Resonance for about 5 years now. This is the latest iteration of Celestial Gardens and we're here in the wonderful Carrick Hill What I love about assisting with this event is seeing people connect with nature in a new way, where we really understand the symbiotic relationship we have with the garden of Mother Earth, and seeing people really resonate with each other, with nature, and in such an incredible environment.
Hope everyone enjoys, and
We hope to see you at the next one.